Well, hello again. Good morning. Been a couple of weeks since I've done anything, so I thought I'd start it back up this year. Just going to do a simple Dutch blow, and just start the year off with something fun. I have some gold. I believe this is strawberry red from Arteza. This is a cerulean blue. This is just a silver and good old turquoise, and another Arteza Payne's gray. And I'll do a white background, and then we'll do some pouring and blowing. So bear with me. I'll get everything set up, and I'll be back in a moment. Alrighty, here we go. Got the white down. I've got my deflecting shields up in front and back. Probably need one on the side over here in case I get to blowing sideways. Do you remember? These are my shields for blowing. So I'll put one there. And I'll put another one on the right-hand side here. I have been known to make messes with my blowers. I bought a brand new little blower, small one, and I'll try that today and see if it works. My big one makes hurricanes, and the little one may not be big enough. Okay. So I need to decide how I'm going to lay these colors down. I think I'm going to start with the Payne's gray. Yes, I am. Okay. I'm trying to visualize in my mind how I'm doing this. Okay, there's Payne's gray. I think I'll try the turquoise. You know, usually you try to think about this ahead of time, which I did, but I'm changing my mind as I go. You know how that is, right? Okay. I think I'll try a little of the strawberry. Sounds good, doesn't it? Sounds yummy. All right. How about some silver? Whoops. Somebody. Who knows? Now, the darker blue. I made the paints a little runnier today. In fact, a lot runnier. I always wanted to see what was going to happen. I know, someday I'll just do what I know what I'm doing and quit experimenting. I'm going to put a touch of gold there and maybe a touch of gold here. Looking runny, buddy. Runny, runny. Okay. Alrighty. I kid you not, I'm going to blow it. I wonder. I thought I was going to try my new blower, but I'm not so sure I want to. See what happens when I do this. Ready? Marks, get set, go. Okay, here we go, Schmo. Isn't that fun looking? Yes. Hang up my blower and let's see what we got. Well, for heaven's sakes. I'm liking this bad boy. I think I just may stop while I'm ahead. Which isn't... I like it. I think I do. Okay. Well, we'll just let that percolate for a minute. And, wow. Nice. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. And we will let that sit for a minute. And I may be back with a final shot of it. This is done in record time. This is Richard B. Stay stand by. I'll be back. Okay, I lied. And I'm sorry, I apologize for that, but life is not complete without the mini blower. Here we go. You can just add something to it. That's my professional opinion. Ooh, that sounds tasty. There, see, that added a little bit more movement, which is always good. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Back off, Dick. Here you go, Richard. Call that a good one, eh? I think so. Whoops. Turn off. Don't turn on, little guy. He just wants to keep playing. Okay. I do think I am done now. Yeah, that added a little excitement to it. I think it's going to carry nicely, too. Okay, this is Richard saying I'll be back with the final shoot. Stand by. Alrighty, here we are around to the front. And I will bring it in slowly. And you can see what the paint is doing. I've got some interesting reactions. And you know what? I forgot to tell you what else I mixed with the Payne's Gray today. I had a bottle of Secret Elixir that I had mixed up beginning of this year. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see. Do you see the little fuzzies there on the blue? And actually, there's some on those gray little islands in the white. And there's some more fuzzies up there starting to fuzz out. And that is from a secret mix. It's a mixture of stuff that I did. And I will put that formula on the web page. I'll write it in there on my little letterhead of what it is, because I'll have to look it up. I forgot. But it does add to some interesting effects with the paint. And I'm attributing the ferny fuzzies, or whatever you want to call them, to that mixture. And here again, as I said, I only added it to the Payne's Gray, which is the dark paint, but it leached out over to the blue. Anyway, it's a bizarre effect. It'll just get more predominant as it sets up. So see what the final one looks like when I take a still shot later on today. This is Richard saying really thanks for watching. Please sign up for my channel. And it's a brand new year, so we'll have some new fun coming our way. All for now.